Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Here it is, the box, and I'm actually opening it now for the first time. Ooh. Do you know what, I had to actually look at my order again to see what I actually ordered because I'd forgotten. Oh wow. Okay, so I didn't order that many pieces, but I ordered in 2 sizes, so that, because with Zara I find their sizing a bit hit and miss. Sometimes I'm a small, sometimes I'm a medium. So I bought the things that I liked, I bought in both small and in medium, and I will try them both to see which works best. Now, the first thing I've seen was this. I hope this fits. Oh, this looks lovely. This is a play suit, and this is the medium. It looks tiny. This may not fit me at all. Oh, this looks so good, but it may not fit me. So it's in it almost looks like a trench coat type material, but soft, and it's this lovely camel color, and I bought it for $29.99. Who knows, it could have even gone down in the sale by now. But I like it. I like the details here on the pockets with the pleats, and then you've got the elasticated waistband, and then you've got the shorts. So I'll be very, very interested to see what this looks like. I mean, looking at it, I really don't think it will fit me, which is a shame, because even though this is we're going into autumn, I would love to keep this for if and when we travel again. This would be so nice to wear. Oh, I ordered 3. There's a medium. Oh, I accidentally ordered 2 mediums. What else did I order? Don't tell me. And a small. 2 mediums and a small. So that's the first item. Looking forward to trying that one. So this is in a medium, and this is just a straight dress. Actually, it's slightly A-lined. Slightly A-lined dress. I like clothes that have quite a high neckline that come up quite there. I find them quite flattering. The ones that have, you know, that are sleeveless, I find that quite flattering. And I do like this. Again, I'm not sure if this is going to fit. This is a medium. It looks like it's a little bit small, but I will try it on, and I'll let you know. It's sort of in a beige sand color. We have a dress. Now this actually might be quite appropriate for this time of the year. This is oh, I remember they didn't have, I wanted 2 and they only had 1 of these, so I guess this may not, actually it might fit. This is a polka dot dress, and this is in a small. And this is, it's in a knit fabric. It's got detail on the sleeves. I'm loving the sleeves. Ooh. And then it's then the dress on the waistline has got this ruching on the front and the back. And this was $12.99 as well. And I really like this, but I think, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's going to fit me across the tummy area. But this would be lovely with some, with either some high boots or some sort of military style low boots, which I do have as well. So let's see. And next is another dress. I'm starting to want to purchase more dresses because it's simple. You don't have to match it with the bottoms. You just have a dress and you wear a dress and off you go. Happy go lucky. Now what's this? This is, for my love of animal print, this This is a zebra wrap dress. I think it's a wrap dress. No, it's a button through dress. And I love black and white. And I ordered this in the medium and the small. So this is a nice dress, and this will transition very well from summer to autumn. It's got no collar. It's got elasticated sleeves. I say the sleeves aren't 3/4 length, but they're like t-shirt length. No, a bit longer than t-shirt. Well, we'll see when I try it on. It's got a belt with a buckle. That's quite nice. Has it got pockets? I'm hoping it has pockets. Oh, we might have pockets. No. Oh, no, we don't have pockets. But we have got some darts here at the waist, so that will give it a nice finish. Looking forward to wearing this with some heels. Or if you want to wear it casual, I'm sure you could wear it with trainers or Converse. You may have seen these t-shirts that are kind of everywhere. They're called like the muscle tee, and they are called the muscle tee because they actually have shoulder pads in, and they've got this deep sleeve and then the shoulder pads. So I'm looking forward to trying this on. This was $12.99, and I bought it in the black and the white. Again, I bought in size medium and in size small, so I try those on. This is just a t-shirt dress in white. Again, I bought size, it's just a straight t-shirt dress. I bought in a size small and medium, and this was $12.99. Here's the muscle t-shirt in the white. So I ordered two, but they're different tones of white. Can you see? This one is like a brilliant white, and this one, you may not be able to see it on video. Brilliant white, and this is kind of a off-white. So let's see, I'll try them both on. I absolutely love this. Now this is actually the small. I tried on the medium and it was too big. It was big on the hips and it was loose all around the bust and the underarm. So this is the small, and it's a little bit tight here, but we can work with that. We can work with that. This is lovely. The only thing is I really wished it had pockets. That would just be the icing on the cake. And as I said, you can style it with trainers and Converse if you want to look casual, or you can put on some heels if you want to dress it up. This would be great to go out even now. It's because it's got 3/4 length sleeves or half sleeves, and you could wear it, say, going out for a meal or going for brunch. So yeah, so I'm not going to style all these outfits on the video. I'll probably style them on my Instagram, so go along on my Instagram and have a look how I style it, and on my blog. So if you're not subscribed to my blog is soniagraysonnewman.com, and my Instagram is also Sonia Greyson-Newman. I love this. I absolutely love it. Can't see much of it on camera, I don't think, but I absolutely love it. I love the fit. This is the small, so I am sucking in a little bit, but it is really, really, really nice. I like it. I like it. This is what they say is giving me all the feels. And yeah, I can style this with, I've got some tan boots, but I'll probably go with black boots. Who knows? I'll see. Again, I'll style it up on my Instagram. It's just because at the moment I'm not quite set up in here for styling, and the angles aren't right with the camera, so I'll probably do that. So check my Instagram, check my blog, because they will be featured on there. But I do like it. It's very comfortable. I love the detail on the sleeves. I love the colouring. I love the dots. I love the ruching. So it's got ruching at the front, centre, back centre, and each side. and it was a little bit, I think it's made for people with really small heads, because it was a little bit it was a little bit I had to be mindful of, I didn't want to mess up my hair getting it on. Let's see how it is when I take it off. But yeah, this I will definitely be keeping. I actually do, as you can tell. No, I don't think I'm going to keep this one. Doesn't do anything for me. I think this is a no. Potentially it could be good, or it could be good with a throw over on top. Could be a long cardi for sort of autumn time, but I don't know. I don't think so. I'm wearing the wrong bra anyway for this, and I don't think it does anything. I don't think so. I think this one's going back. This is the medium. I tried on the small. It was way too small, and this is the medium. Maybe in a large it might just about fit, so I'll see. Maybe if they got the large, but I just don't think it's the, I don't think it suits my body shape, so it's a no for me. The top is nice, but it's from here downwards I don't like. The top would be nice if it was a little bit more roomy. See, it's pulling here. As I said, maybe I'll try it on with a different bra. It might be a bit better, but I'm more thinking this is going to be returned. Really not sure about this. I'm more leaning towards no, or it has potential, but right now I love the top half of it. Right now I love the top half of it. The bottom half I don't really like. There's something about the shorts that feel like they should be a bit more pulled in, like that, or not quite, you know, still without being too tight, but that sort of look maybe, rather than just that. There's a lot of gap there. Yeah, there's a lot of gap there, and the back isn't, the shape of the back isn't very flattering either. So I don't know. I'll have to have a think about this. But I really was looking forward to trying this. And then when I saw the medium looked quite small, I thought, I'm not going to get into it. It's not going to fit. Again, I'm just thinking it's the bottom half. This bit is too long. Maybe if the waistband was a bit lower, and then this bit here, the crotch wasn't so long. The crotch is very long, so it's not very flattering. I mean, look at that. So unfortunately I think this one's gonna go back. Look, see, when I move it's not oh, it's a real shame, the colouring and everything, and I could just imagine wearing this on holiday, but this bit here is too long. It almost needs to be a two-piece for it to be flattering, I think, and have a lower waistband on me anyway. Haha, I tried on the small. It's better here, and guess what, it has two sets of pockets. How cool. So you've got pockets here and you have pockets here. Now the thing is, I don't know, I prefer the small, just because I haven't got that excess there as much. However, the back isn't so flattering, so I don't know, but this is more of a keeper than the medium. I just looked at the small and thought I'd never fit in it. I mean, obviously I keep holding my stomach, but obviously, you know, once I'm back in the gym, once the girl's back in the gym, I should be able to rock this, huh? What do you reckon? With some espadrilles, looking cool. I think I'm going to take a chance on this one. Got nice feels, very comfortable, and this will be great to have and put down for going on holiday. Right, so this is the t-shirt, the muscle tee, obviously the black. Just tried it on with one of my faux leather skirts I just had hanging on this rack. So just to see what it looks like, I really like it as an outfit. And the black, obviously classic. I love wearing a lot of black. I've ordered it in white. I think it comes in a variety of different colors. It was a big deal in spring summer months, I'm sure, you know, you can, if it's a trend, I'm sure it'll be around next year as well. I don't really follow trends as such. I wear what I like, as long as it's not, you know, too old. I will wear what I like, but I think this is a piece that, you know, you can dress up, dress down. It will go with something plain, it will go with something print, and it can, you know, throw a jacket on top or a cardigan or a blazer on top, and this will take you through autumn. So I think this is a yes. I'm not going to try on the white. I'm just going to probably just keep the white because I don't want to get makeup on it. But you can see, again, once you go over onto my blog and Instagram, you will be seeing these pieces in the next few days and weeks. And then there's the white dress. I'm not going to try it on because I don't want to get makeup on it. I'm not sure about it. So this might actually go back. I'll try it on when I'm getting ready for bed after I've had my shower and taken all my makeup off. I'll try it on and see what it's like. And if I keep it, you will see it. So that's it. I really hope you enjoyed that video. I will link everything that is still available on the website in the description box down below. And yes, if you like this video and would like to see more style content, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up below, which was your favorite item, or any questions you want to ask me about it. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, where I'll be bringing a lot more content going forward. And I look forward to recording the next one. Take care. Bye for now.